Hello, my creative friend, and welcome to audio version of my blog post, My 10 Rules of Sketching. So let's get started. Rule number 1, foundations of everything. Without solid knowledge of the principles of perspective, nothing will ever work out. Study the method, refer to my book The Sketch often, and make sure you understand it completely. For the moment, concentrate on the frontal perspective or one-point perspective. It's actually the same. It is a very powerful and hugely useful technique. Number 2, horizon line. Remember that the horizon line level has an effect on the general impression of your sketch. Whether the horizon is at the eye level of a seated person or at 2-meter level above the floor, it is an absolutely critical decision for the whole of the drawing and for how different planes are revealed. Rule number 3, composition. A well-chosen view angle and the knowledge of composition are most crucial. They will contribute greatly to your sketch by making your project look elegant and allowing you to present it to the best effect. Number 4, 3D effect. To be sure, knowledge and application of the rules of light and shadows, the aerial perspective, tonal gradations, and texturing are key. It is these things that give volume and expressiveness to a drawing. Rule number 5, the trained eye. Examine as many works and drawings as possible. Learn wherever you can. YouTube tutorials or Skillshare classes, drawing exhibitions, read books about design, drawing and illustration. You have to become satiated with visual references for your own new and unique style to emerge. Number 6, materials. Use quality materials. You don't need a great number, but make sure they are top quality. For a successful start, you will need 7 to 10 colors of professional markers, with 3 to 4 of them being tones of gray. Also, you will need a pencil, a black liner, a white pen, an eraser, and paper. Later on, when you start becoming more involved with sketching, don't pitch pennies and buy copic sets. Number 7, techniques. The classic techniques of sketching will always be in high esteem. These are watercolors, Chinese ink, colored pencils, and pastel. But the experience tells me that the easiest, quickest, and the most effective tool in interior sketching is markers. They give wonderful results even when you use them for the first time. Rule number 8, masters. If you want to become proficient at sketching as quickly as possible, learn from the masters of the craft. Take note of their devices, copy their techniques, and use this rich foundation of knowledge to develop your own unique and inimitable style. Number 9, customers. Remember that all customers are guided by their emotions when they make decisions, which is why your portfolio and sketches must be savory to the eye. Access your portfolio one more time and ask yourself, would I buy it? If the answer is no, burn it and make something spectacular instead. Rule number 10, everyday practice. Draw every day and train your eye and hand as much as possible. If you start practicing every day for approximately 30 minutes, it will take you about 3 weeks to achieve a pretty high level of mastery of your hand, and your pictures will start showing confidence, which is the main quality of a professional. Since you can always tell a pro from a beginner by the confidence of their lines and hatchings. Confidence only comes with experience. Learn more about interior design drawing from my book, This Sketch. It's available on Amazon.com. Postscriptum. Please share this audio version of my blog post with your friends. They would be glad you did. Thanks in advance. You're awesome. Olga Sarokina. Also, learn more about my video course on interior sketching with markers for beginners and also my video course for advanced on my website www.olgaart888.com.